Hi. Now we will learn about NumPy array slicing. How to slice an array. Okay. So the word says everything, I think, right? Slicing in Python means taking the element from one given index to another given index. Okay. Just suppose we want to take some element from an array, then we will use the slicing concept. Okay, we can pass slice instead of indexes like this, like what we have in the Excel formula strategy, right? A start from where you want to cut it and the end one, end, like this. Okay, and we can also define it like steps. You want to do it like an alternative or alternate words, the gap between two character or multiplication of 2 or 3, like this is start and then end, and here the steps, step. Understood? Just suppose if we don't pass start, then it always consider 0, and if we don't pass end, then it's always consider the length of the array in that dimension, means the end part. Okay, and if we don't pass the step, then it is by default 1. Okay, so let me tell you it by an example. Just suppose here I will slice. Let me do some coding part first. Okay, NumPy as NP. The first time I'll have to write this. Then Sharad is equal to, let's say, NumPy dot array. Let me create a 1D. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so now in this case, just suppose I want to slice element from index number 1 to index number 5. Okay, so what I'll do, slice elements from index 1 to index 5. So what I'll do, what will be the format? I'll write print, then Sharad, then 1 is to 5. Okay, and if I'll run this, then 2 3 4 and 5 will get printed. Look, you should note always one thing, this result include the start index. Okay, but exclude the end index. You should remember this always, because 1 is the 2 is the 1 here. So 1 2 3 4, up to 4 it will get printed, 5 will be excluded because it is the end one. Okay, you should know one thing in this thing, always remember this thing. Let me take another example. Now let me copy this. We will use the same thing, but here what we will do, we will slice the elements from, let's say, index 4, okay, to the end, means to the 7, the last one. So what we will do, we will do here print Sharad, and then we will do 4 is to here. Now we will not give anything. As I told you, if we will not give anything, then it will automatically get printed the end element, till end element, right? So it will start from index number 4 and then up to last. So 5 6 7, index number 4 is this one. Okay, wait, why it happened? Because I have given this thing. Now it's good. Okay, it's pretty simple. Let me take another example. we have seen the end option. Now we will see from start option. If you didn't give anything in the start, then what will happen? So here we will slice okay, we will slice the elements from the beginning BEGINNING to, let's say, index number 4. Okay, but remember this 4 will not get included, okay, because it is the end element right now. Okay, so what we will do, print Sharad, then empty is to 4. Understood? I have not given anything in the starting, so 1 2 3 4 get printed, and fourth index is not get printed. Fourth index is what? 5, so 5 is not printed. Start from 0 0 1 2 3 up to 4, 0 1 2 3 up to 4, it's printed. It's pretty simple, right? And in the same manner we can do the negative indexing also. Negative indexing, INDEXING. Okay, so for this what we will do, we will use minus operator, OPERATOR, what we have seen in the last section. Okay, so what it means, it to refer to an index from the end. Understood? So let's take the same example. Okay, so here what we will do, we will slice from the index 3. Okay, from the end. Okay, so for this we will do print Sharad, and for 3, so minus 3 is 2 minus 1. So minus 3 is what? 5, and then 6, and 7 will not get printed because it is the last one, and the last one will always get excluded. So 5 and 6 will get printed here. Look. Okay, it's pretty simple, very simple. Now you have seen the start and end. Now we will see the step option, this step, how it can be. So here let's use steps. So how this step will work, this step value basically determine the steps in slicing. Steps in slicing, I don't know the proper definition, but this is the main definition, steps in slicing, you can say. Okay, now just suppose I'll take the same example, and here what we will do, we will return every other element, element, from index number 1 to index number 5, means the alternative element, you can say. So for this what we can do, we can print. Okay, what it means, I want to print, let's say 2 and 4. Okay, I want to start from 1, then 2, 3 will get skipped, then 4, but where? Up to 5. Up to 5 I want to print only. So means 2 and 4 will get printed if I'll do Sharad, and then 1 start from 1 indexing is 2. Okay, and then I'll give 5 up to 5 index. 5 index is will not get included, but in the step of 2, means 2 will get in between. So if I'll run this, then 2 and 4 will get printed. Understood? Let me take another example, the same example, but I will not give now start and end. I will print everything by 2 2 2 2. Okay, gap will be 2 and 2 and 2. Here let me write here, return every second element or every other element from the whole array. I will not give any start and end option now, okay, so that you could understand well. Now I want to print every second array, so Sharad, and then is 2, then again is 2, 2. 2 is the steps, this is the empty one, start one, end is also empty, and second in the step. So what it will print? It will print what? 1, 3, 5 and 7. Let's run this. Look. Okay, so this concept is basically for the 1D. Now what about 2D? What about 2D? Slicing the two-dimensional array. How to do this? Okay, wait. Let me copy this. I need to change this now, so up to 5, and here let me give one more. 2D is there, and now this, and here let me start 1, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and one more. Now it became 2D. Let me copy this so that I could use it in the future below sections. Now I want to print in a 4 step. Let's say I have a total 10 elements, total 10 elements. Now I will use 4 steps, or let me create a simple one, then we will see. Okay, so what we will do here, from the second element, okay, now we will slice elements from the index 1 to index 4. Let's say 4 will not get included, always remember this. So here Sharad, okay, I want to print, let's say 3 4 5, not you will get confused, 7 8 9. Let's do it some tough job. Okay, I want to print 7 8 and 9, understood, via the slicing method. So what I'll do here, I'll use the second row is what? 1, understood. This is 0 and this is 1. So in second row means 1, we will start from 1. This is 1, this is 0 1 2 3 4, right? I want to print 7 8 and 9, so I will use 1 here. 1 is to where? Is to 4. Why 4? Because 1 2 3 and 4, and 4 will not get included, means it will print 7 8 9 9. Okay, if I'll run this, you can see 7 8 9 is now printed. Okay, always remember one thing, the second element has index number 1. Always remember this. First element is 0. Okay, now let's do it as vice versa. Let's access this one, this element, or from another one. Let me write, wait, let me take the same example, and now we will access from both the element, from both elements. I apologize for my spelling because I am writing for you people. So Now I'll do index 2. Okay. So what I'll do, I will print Sharad the same, then I'll use index, then 0 to 2. Understood? And then from the second element. Understood what is happening here? I am printing the number 3 and I am printing the number 8. Okay. Here I am giving the two steps. Okay. From 0 to 2 means the third one, and I'm doing the same thing. What will get printed? 3 and 8 will get printed. If you will get any confusion, watch the video again and again. Let me take one more example for this. Don't get confused, okay? See this carefully, you will understand. Now same example we will take, but here what we will do, from both elements MENTS, we will, I am writing theory only for you people so that you could understand. We will slice, what we will slice? We will slice now 1 to 4 index. Okay, and always remember 4 will not, index number 4 will not included. Okay, so what this will return a 2D array always. Okay, now what I am doing here, I am slicing from both the rows right now. So for this I'll print Sharad, and then in the first row I want to print 2 3 4. So what I'll do, 0 to 2 for 2 3 4. Okay, and for the second row, no, but a comma would be here. Okay, and for the second row I want to print 7 8 9. So 1 is 2, this 1 2 3 4, this 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what will get printed? I will get 2-dimensional array with 2 3 4 in the first row and 7 8 9 in the second row. Look. Okay, it is pretty simple. You just need to practice and you will get to know everything. Don't get confused. Understood? Watch this video again and again, and if there is a confusion or you will feel any confusion, just do on the comment section. I will let you know easily. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next section. Bye bye.